Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. As we are in the last part of the chapter, that is division of decimal fractions by multiples of 10. In that जो भी नंबर से हमको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा that will be the multiple of 10, 100 or 1000. जैसे first one is 20. So means it is multiple of 10. 10 twos are is 20. So now before we start division, what we have to do here, just one thing we have to keep it in mind, that 5.4 divided 20 means we can write as 2 into 10 because 2 tens are is 20. Now we will divide 5.4 by 2. जब उसका जो आंसर आ जाएगा that will be divided by 10. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, सिर्फ पॉइंट शिफ्ट करना पड़ेगा towards the right side whatever the answer we are getting. Okay, so we will do the division. 5.4 बाई 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 10 वहीं पे वैसे रहेगा. सो 2 2 ज़र इज 4, 5 minus 4 is 1. Now to bring this 4, first we have to put the point. Now the 4 will come down, so it will become 2 7s are 14. Okay, now the answer which we are getting, that we will write, that is 2.7 upon 10. पहले क्या करना है, 5.4 20 we had made as 2 into 10, तो इट मीन्स 5.4 को 2 से डिवाइड करना है. आंसर आया हमारा 2.7. नाउ 2.7 को अभी भी 10 से डिवाइड करना है, नीचे है मतलब डिवाइड करना है, अपॉन 10 मीन्स इट इज इन डिवीजन. तो डिवीजन में हमने क्या सीखा था, दैट वी हैव टू मूव द पॉइंट टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड. सो दिस पॉइंट फ्रॉम हियर इट विल शिफ्ट टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ 2, so it will become 0.27 is our आंसर. सिंपल, कुछ हार्ड नहीं है. पहले उसको 10 या 100 या 1000 के मल्टीपल में चेंज करो, डिवाइड इट एंड देन अगेन डिवाइड इट बाय 10 एंड जस्ट यू हैव टू शिफ्ट द पॉइंट. नाउ सेकेंड वन, इट्स 9.63 divided by 30. So again here also we'll do the same thing, that 9.63 upon 3 into 10, because 3 tens are is 30. So now we will divide 9.63 by 3. So 3 3s are is 9, 0. Now after 9 point is there, उसके बाद ही 6 नीचे उतरेगा, that's why point. Now 6 will come down, so 3 2s are is 6, 0. Now 3 will come down, so 3 1s are is 3, 0. So the answer which we are getting, that is 3.21 upon 10. 10 तो बाकी है नीचे डिवीजन में. तो अब क्या करना है, एक 0 है तो एक डिजिट मूव करना है टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड. So this point from here it will shift to the left side of 3, so it will become 0.321. Done. It's very simple. Third one, it's 8.5 divided by 500. देखो फिर हमें क्या वरना क्या करना पड़ेगा, 30 का टेबल यूज़ करो, 500 का टेबल यूज़ करो. इट्स बेटर जस्ट वी विल चेंज 500 इंटू 5 इंटू 100. तो अभी हमें क्या डिवाइड करना है, 8.5 को 5 से डिवाइड करना है. सिंपल. सो 8.5 बाई 5, कितना छोटा डिवीजन हो जाता है. बाकी 500 का टेबल लेना है, देन वी हैव टू गो ऑन एडिंग. इट्स बेटर जस्ट डिवाइड इट बाय 5. सो 5 1s are is 5, 8 minus 5 is 3. To bring down 5, first we have to put the point. Now 5 will come down, so 5 7s are is 35. So the answer comes, that is 0. So it means 1.7 upon 100. Now 2 zeros means 2 digit we have to move towards the left side, but as we are having only 1 digit, तो हमने क्या किया था, पहले भी एक 0 हमको ऐड करना पड़ेगा. सो दैट विल बी 0.017, बिकॉज आप पॉइंट के पहले एक ही डिजिट है, हमें कितने डिजिट मूव करना है, 2 डिजिट्स, बट हियर एज इट इज़ 1 डिजिट, सो वी हैव टू ऐड 1 0 ओवर देयर, सो इट विल बिकम 0.017. यहाँ पे खास ध्यान रखना है, रेस्ट एवरीथिंग इज वेरी सिंपल. नाउ फोर्थ वन, if you see, it is 10.72 divided by 800 it is given. So again the same method, 10.72 upon 8 into 100. We will divide by 8. 10.72 divided by 8, so 8 ones are is 8. 10 minus 8 is 2. To bring down 7, first we have to put the point. Now 7 will come down. So 8 3s are is 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. 2 will come down, and 8 4s are is 32. Got the remainder as 0. Now it means 1.34 divided by 100. Now again 2 zeros, we have to move 2 digits towards the left side, but as we are having only 1 digit, यहाँ पे एक ही digit है लेकिन हमें move करना है 2 digits. So what we'll do, we'll add 1 0 over there. So 0 1 3 4 will be the answer. Now if you see fifth one, it is 684.6 divided by 3000. So now it will be written as 684.6 upon 3 into 1000. So now we have to divide it by 1000. 684.6 divided by 3. So 3 2s are is 6. So 0. 8 will come down. Again 3 2s are is 6. So 2 and 4 24. 3 8s are is 24. So 0. Now 6, to bring down 6, first we have to put the point. Now 6 will come down. So 3 2s are is 6, and we got the answer as 0. So it means 228.2 divided by 1000. So 3 zeros are there, means we have to move 3 digits towards the left side, and we are already having 3 digits towards the left side. So our answer will be 0.2282. Then simple sixth one, it's 0.5 divided by 50. So 50 we can write it in the form of 0.5 5 into 10. Just divide it. 0.5 by 5, so 0 will be as it is 0.5 answer is 5. So the answer we got, that is 0. It means 0.1 upon 10. Now we have to move 1 digit towards the left side. Here it is 0, so it will become 0.01. एक digit move करना है because 1 0 is being there, so this point will shift over here, so it will become 0.01. Now seventh one we'll do. It is given 0.12 divided by 60. So it will be written as 0.12 upon 6 into 10 is 60. So now if we will divide 0.12 by 6. So first we have to put 0. Now 1 is not divisible by 6, इसलिए वापस एक 0. Now it is 12. So 6 2s are is 12. So our answer comes 0.02 upon 10. अभी 10 है, means one more digit we have to shift towards the left side. So our answer will be 0.002. Now 8th one, 9th one, 10th one, almost all the sums now you can do it by yourself. I am doing the last 3 sums. The 13th one now I am doing directly. The 13th one, it is 12.04 divided by 400. So it will be 12.04 upon 4 into 100. So divide 12.04 by 4. So it is 4 3s is 12, 0, 0. Now point will come down. Now there is 0. So we cannot divide 0. So again 4 zeros are is 0 already. Now 4 will come down. So 4 ones are is 4. So our answer comes 3.01 upon 100. But 2 zeros means we have to move 2 digits towards the left side, but we are having only 1 digit. So 1 0 will be added. So it will become 0.0301. Now 14th one, it's 0.3 divided by 300. So that is equal to 0.3 upon 3 into 100. Yeah, I can do it directly. Abhi 3 ones are 3, it will come to 0.1 only. Okay, 0.3 by 3. So 0, 3 ones are is 3. So now it is 0.1 upon 100. Now we have to move 2 digits towards the left side. Here it is 0. यहाँ पे तो 0 है, कुछ भी नहीं है. It means we have to add there 2 zeros. So it will become 001. Now the last one, that is 15th one, 3.3 divided by 30. So it will be 3.3 upon 3 into 10. Directly also you can do it. 3 ones are is 3. So 0.3 will come down again. 3 ones are is 3. So 0. What answer we are getting? 1.1 upon 10. ये भूलना नहीं है, 10, 100, 1000 नीचे लिखना, अदरवाइज द आंसर विल गो रॉन्ग. नाउ 1 0 मीन्स वी हैव टू मूव 1 डिजिट टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड. तो ये पॉइंट कहाँ पे आ जाएगा? यहाँ पे. सो इट विल बिकम 0.11. Students, so this was the last exercise. It's simple, just उसको 10, 100 या 1000 के मल्टीपल में कन्वर्ट करो, डिवाइड करो, सिंपल, एंड देन अगेन divide it by 10, 100 and 1000. You will get the answer. Simple. So by here we finish chapter number 6, decimals. I hope so. There is no doubt. If any doubt is being there regarding any question, you can get it solved in the Google Meet. So in this video, this much only. Whose books are incomplete, completed, so that when we will start the next chapter, that is fraction, your work will not remain incomplete. See you in the next video. So till then, thank you and take care.